We're watching the SeaHarvest Cape Crown, and for the first time since it started quite a few years ago, we're holding it at Muizenberg. We normally hold it at Long Beach in Kommetjie. Conditions not good there, but they're excellent here at Muizenberg.
We're at the Cape Crown in Muizenberg. Quite a lovely event.
Nice to see all the surfers coming from all over South Africa and competing here. We went to see SeaHarvest when we realized that our vision, Savour the Sea, was the same as theirs. We both use the sea to make sure that our brands succeed. And when we put the proposal to the guys at SeaHarvest, we spoke about how important it was for us to get our communities involved in surfing and to the communities to get to know SeaHarvest. Young surfers are trendsetters. We felt that it would be a good fit and a good partnership, and it really has turned out to be just that.
At the moment, we can run a lot more events and impact a lot more young people, and for us that's a plus. Just having the brand on as well makes such a difference. Kids love fish fingers, so adding the two together is just a wonderful combination.
The discussion right at the beginning, long before surfing became an Olympic sport, was to partner with SeaHarvest when we did become an Olympic sport. And luckily for us, in 2021, we managed to send a surfer to the Olympics who came back with a silver medal. And, you know, that was Bianca Buitendag, and it was a very nice partnership to have SeaHarvest involved with that. We're now looking at some of the young surfers that we identified as SeaHarvest ambassadors when they were about 9 or 10 years old, and now they're 17 years old. Zia Hendricks and Surprise Ntokozo. They are now earmarked to surf in the Olympics in 2028 in Los Angeles.
It's been an amazing journey with SeaHarvest. I'm super grateful and I'm super thankful for all SeaHarvest has done for me, for the opportunities. And without SeaHarvest, I wouldn't be standing here. And I'm proud to represent SeaHarvest at all the comps.
How's it, guys? Surprise Mapumulia from Durban. I'm down in Muizenberg competing in the Cape Crown. SeaHarvest has supported me by letting me surf the events, helping me with my entries. I've definitely seen SeaHarvest make an impact on junior surfing. They've had a lot of surfing South African events, especially around the country, Durban, Cape Town, J Bay, St. Francis. Just letting all the juniors shine, come to the ground, show what they have to show. And I mean, it's quite good, you know, we get to the events, we see each other, SeaHarvest organizes the events.
Well, my main goal is to surf in the Olympics in 2028. Yeah, that's my main goal, and in order to do that, I'm gonna make sure I work hard. My favorite SeaHarvest product is 100% the fish fingers. Yeah, I really like fish fingers, and SeaHarvest fish fingers are just the best. And the hake, just saying.
The partnership between SeaHarvest and the way we do things together, working together with Jared and his team and working with my team. And I just think that over the last 8 or 9 years that we've been involved with each other, it's been fantastic and a wonderful partnership. We've been very lucky to have SeaHarvest on board with us.
Thank you, SeaHarvest.